Welcome you back, children. In the previous class, we had done grammar, that is noun. So, what are noun? We will just do a revision. Okay. Noun are the name of a person, place, animals, and things. Okay. And today we are going to do a type of noun, that is gender. Okay. Now, what do you mean by gender? Looking at the person, you can say whether it is a boy or a girl. If you say he is a boy or a father, means all the male category, that is all the male living things are considered to masculine gender. Okay, and all the female, that is lady, sister, girl, all the living things that goes to the female category is known as feminine gender. We will study in detail about masculine gender and feminine gender. So children, open your English grammar cloud to page number 23. This page number 23, English grammar cloud. Today children, along with the grammar cloud, we will do my grammar time also. Okay. So, open to page number 23. Okay. We will read the line first. Amir is a boy. Looking at the first picture, you can identify whether he is a boy or a girl. So, who is Amir? Amir is a boy. Mahima is a girl. My father has a mustache. My mother wears a sari. Here, in this sentence, boy and father are he group of masculine gender. You say no, he is a boy. Okay, you say he is my father. So he belongs to he category. So he category belongs to masculine gender. Girl and mother belongs to she category. Okay, and it is known as feminine gender. Let us learn more about masculine and feminine gender. Remember, nouns that donate a male. Nouns that donates a male is known as male. Male means all the boys. Okay, boys. That is belongs to he category is known as masculine gender. Is known as masculine gender, and nouns that denotes to denotes a female is known as female. Looking at the word female only, it goes for feminine gender. Feminine gender. Okay, so looking at the word female, she, this category belongs to feminine. He category belongs to masculine gender. Look at the pictures given below. Looking at the picture, you will able to identify whether it is a boy or a girl, or male or a female. Okay, father, son belongs to a male category, that is masculine. See children, I will give you one secret, a top secret to remember. M stand for male. Okay, M stand for male and M again stand for masculine gender. Masculine gender. Okay, and F stands for female. Female stands for feminine gender. Okay, N stands for masculine gender, F stands for feminine gender. This help you to identify whether it is a male or a female. If it is a male, you will write masculine gender. If it is a female, you will write the feminine gender. Daughter and mother, you can see over here, daughter and mother, it stands for feminine gender. Now I will read out first a few example of feminine and few example of masculine gender. Okay, first one, you can look at the picture and you can identify and say easily whether it is a boy or a girl. Okay, first one, brother. I will read only the male category, that is the masculine gender, brother. Otherwise, I will read both. Okay, masculine and feminine. If the question comes for you like you have to change it to the feminine gender, or you have to change the feminine gender to the male gender, so you will easily identify. Okay, so first one, brother. What is the feminine of brother? Sister. Grandfather, grandmother. Prince, princess. Peacock, peahen. Cock, hen. Cock is also known as rooster. Groom, bride. Actor, actress. King, queen. Bull, cow. Okay. Now we will start with the first exercise on page number 25. 25, exercise 8. Write the feminine gender for the following masculine gender. As I told you, like when I was explaining now, as I told you, the question can be asked like, if the feminine gender is given, you have to write the masculine gender, or if the masculine gender is given, you have to write the feminine gender. So this exercise is regarding the same. So let's do the first one. Masculine gender, they have given us. And feminine. They have given us masculine, that is the male gender, and we have to write the female gender. Over here in the bracket I will write as it belongs to he and it belongs to she. This is just for you to identify, no need for you to write it in your book. Okay, the first one is given tiger. First one, tiger. So, the male one is known as tiger. So, what is the female of tiger? Female is tigress. So, the feminine of tiger is tigress. T-I-G-R-E-S-S. Tigress. Next one, lion. Lion. He is a male lion. So what is the female lion known as? Lioness. L-I-O-N-E-S-S. Lioness. Okay. The feminine of tiger, the male of tiger, masculine, and the female is known as tigress. That is feminine. Lion, lioness. Let's see the third one. Father. This you also know. Father. What is the feminine gender of father? It goes mother. Okay, next one, uncle. Aunt. You say no, he is my uncle and my aunt. She is my aunt. So, uncle, aunt. Next one, horse. Horse. The male one is known as horse. The female one is known as male. M-A-R-E. Male. Last one, man. You say he is a man and she is a woman. So, woman. Man, woman. Okay, so is for you. Tiger, tigress. Lion, lioness. Father, mother. Uncle, aunt. Horse, maid. Man, woman. Okay. The next one, nephew. That one you will do it for homework. This category, this one. Write there HW. Okay. Homework. Nephew, niece. Sir, madam. Next one you can write it on your own. We will do more exercise of this from your My Grammar Time. So now children, open to My Grammar Time. In that book we have more exercise for feminine and masculine and feminine gender. So open your My Grammar Time book to page number 12. To page number 12, this page. Okay. I will write it over here on this side. My Grammar Time. Page number 12. Okay. We have more exercise in this book. Okay. Now over here I will read out the first one. Match the words in two columns. They have given the male column and they have given the female column. So what the male column stand for? The male column stand for masculine gender and the female stand for feminine gender. So what is the first one is given male. So how will you match that? Father, I have given you father. What is the feminine of father? It is mother. So you will write, you will match father and mother. In the next way, you will do it for your homework. We will do exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the opposite gender. Fill in the blanks with opposite gender. What do you mean by this? If the male gender is given to you, you will write the opposite. What is the opposite of male? It is female. So what is the opposite of feminine? It is masculine. And what is the opposite of masculine? It is feminine. Any one of it can be given you for the question. You have to change it to the respective one. The first one, a tigress lives in that forest. Now up to here I have done first one. Tiger, tigress. Tigress belongs to the feminine category. She is the female one. Female one is known as tigress. And what is the opposite of tigress? It is tiger. Very good. So in the bracket given here, I will write the first question. A tigress. A tigress in that forest. What is the answer? Tiger. Understood children? Tigress is the female one. What is the male one known as? Tiger. Next one. I watched a peacock dance. What is the next one? I watched a peacock dance. Now over here children, peacock belongs to the masculine gender. So what is the feminine of peacock? The feminine of peacock is peahen. It is peahen. P-E-A-H-E-N. Peahen. P-E-A-H-E-N. Peahen. Next one. Mother plays the guitar. Now over here, mother belongs to the feminine category. That is she category. Okay. So you have to write the male one. That is masculine gender. Mother plays the guitar. So, mother is a feminine one. So, what is the masculine one? Opposite of mother. Mother opposite is father, as we have done earlier. Okay. So, it is father. Okay. Mother plays the guitar, father plays the guitar. So next one, fourth one. This show loves hay and apple. Now over here, show means the feminine of pig. Okay. So what is the feminine of pig? It is show. And what is the male of pig known as boar? B-O-A-R. Fifth, sixth, seven, eight. Fourth to 8 is your homework of exercise B. The exercise B, question number 4 to 8 is your homework. Okay. Now children, again open to your My Grammar Cloud. Open to your Grammar Cloud. We will do page number 25. You only have to write, looking at the sentence, you only have to write whether it is a masculine gender or feminine gender. The feminine gender represents she category and the masculine gender represents he category. So it's too easy, we will solve it out quickly. Okay. Your page number 25. We are still on page number 25. This is a grammar cloud. Don't get confused. Grammar cloud, page number 25. Now we are doing exercise B. Okay. What is the question given to you? Read the sentences given below. You have to write F. What do you have to write? You only have to write F. For F stand for feminine gender. F stand for feminine gender. And you have to write M for masculine gender. Okay, that only you only have to write the starting alphabet. Whether it is a feminine gender, you will write F. Whether it belongs to male gender, it will write N. Okay, first one. My grandfather is 65 years old. Now looking at the sentence, the highlighted one, you only have to look at that sentence. Grandfather, it is to the male gender or the female gender? It belongs to the masculine gender. So you will write there N. I will write only the first one. Okay, right? F for feminine and M for masculine gender. Okay. This is your question given. The first one was, my father is 65 years old. Okay, first one. My grandfather. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father is 65 years old. You will only write here, looking at the word grandfather, this word is highlighted. Looking at this one, grandfather, it belongs to the feminine category or the masculine category. You only have to see. Now grandfather belongs to the male category. So you will only write here N, masculine category. Understood? You only have to write the alphabet. Next one. My wife. My wife is a housewife. Now children, who is a housewife? The lady, that is your mother, who looks after your house. She looks after your meal. She is the homemaker. She looks after your cook. She cooks for you. She makes you ready for the school. She makes breakfast for you. She does all the household work. So she is known as a housewife or a homemaker. Okay. So wife. What is the word highlighted here? Wife. Okay. So wife is a feminine gender. It belongs to she category. Your mother belongs to she category. So it is a feminine gender. Next one. He gave me a gift to my nephew. He gave me a gift to my nephew. He gave me a gift to my nephew. Okay, now in the starting only, I explained you he stand for masculine gender. Very good. He stand for masculine gender. So looking at the word he only, you will write your N. Very good. Looking at the word he only, you will write the N. Next one. The king was very kind. So what is the opposite of king? Queen. So queen is a feminine gender and king is a masculine gender. Very good. So you will write that. Fourth one. The king was very kind. The king was very kind. So king goes for masculine gender. Okay children. So now your question number 5. Snow White was a princess. From that, peacock dances when it rains. My uncle is a swimmer. The hen laid down 6 eggs. All this 4 is for your homework. Right here. Question number 5 to question number 8 for your homework. That is of your exercise B, page number 25. I don't have space down, so I am writing it up. Exercise B, page number 25. Next one. After this, the king was very kind. After that, question number 5 to 8 is for your homework. Children, I hope so. This concept you are getting cleared. Your concept, your doubts have been cleared. The male category stands for the masculine gender. M stands for masculine, and the female category, that F stands for feminine gender. I will erase this side and again open your grammar time book. We are going to do my grammar cloud and my grammar time simultaneously together. So don't keep your book in your bag, keep it out only. Okay, next one. Yeah, again grammar time. Okay, open your book to grammar time. If you finish from your book, keep this book open aside. Again we will need this book. Okay, now open to page number 13. Grammar time, page number 13. Now we have done this. You have to write F for feminine and M for masculine. The same exercise is there in your my grammar time book. Okay, now we are going to do in my grammar time book. Page number 13, exercise C. Exercise C. Look at the green words. They are the masculine M, feminine F, or write C for common. Okay. Over here, children, you have to write the common words. Before going to this exercise C, we will read up what is written. Look at this word, this one. Okay. You should understand what are the common words. Okay. The doctors are talking to each other. Now children, over here, doctors can be the male one, the female one, the group of doctors. So it is known as common doctors. It is word given as common. I was playing with my cousins. They have added cousins. So it can be related to the male category or the female category, or both your brothers and sisters together. It is known as cousins. So it is a group of words known as cousins. The words in blue are of the common gender. Listen carefully. The words that are written in blue are of common genders. They do not tell us if the person we are talking about are the male or the female. As I told you earlier, if we are talking about the doctors, only doctors, hearing the word doctors, it is not clear that I am talking about the male doctor or the female doctor. I am talking about the particular doctors. I am talking in common. Okay. Example: baby, guest, child, friend, monitor, visitor, parent, relative, cook, principal, teacher, student, neighbor, and coach. All of this, looking at these words, you cannot identify whether it is a masculine gender or it is a feminine gender. Okay. Now we will do the C exercise. We will do the exercise C. Looking at the words, you should be able to identify whether it is a feminine gender, masculine gender, or common gender. Okay. Feminine gender, masculine gender, and C for common gender. We will do the first one. Rama took her baby to the park. First one. Rama took her baby to the park. Over here, baby, as we read earlier in the bracket columns over here. This words. Okay. Looking at the word baby, you don't know whether it belongs to a masculine gender or a feminine gender. So baby, it is a common word. So you will write there C. You will write there C. Why C? Because baby is a common name. Next one. Our niece is climbing a tree. Second one. Our niece is climbing a tree. Now children, niece. What is the opposite of niece? Nephew. Okay. Niece. Looking at the word niece, it is a feminine gender. So right here F. Next one. The boy is wearing a blue cap. Looking at the word boy. Chalo, tell me who will tell me the correct answer. The boy is wearing, that boy is wearing a blue cap. Who will answer? You have to think. Looking at the word boy, you will identify whether it is a male. That boy is wearing a blue cap. Okay, looking at the word boy, you can identify whether it is belonging to the male one or the female one. So boy indicates a male, that is a masculine category. Next one. Ankita is a kind girl. Ankita. Ankita is a kind girl. Over here, now you have two identify. Girl. Okay, looking at the word girl, you can identify whether it belongs to a he category or she category, or the name Ankita. Ankita denotes a girl's name. So you will write your feminine category. Now children, question number 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, my teacher gave me full marks. Grandfather loves to read comics. The farmer has a mare. My friend gave me a teddy bear. You will write all these four for your homework. So question number 5 to question number 8 is for your homework. Write the today's date and do it for your homework. Looking at the word grandfather, farmer, friend or teacher, you will be able to identify whether it is a masculine gender or a feminine gender. Okay children, now again we will go back to our grammar cloud. We will do the last exercise. Exercise C, page number 25 of my grammar cloud. Okay, so write the feminine gender of the male gender is given to you. You have to write the feminine gender. Okay, first one, brother-in-law. So what is the feminine gender? Sister-in-law. Okay, sister-in-law. Second one, nephew. As I told you earlier, nephew. What is the opposite of nephew? It is niece. N-I-E-C-E. We have done just this in my grammar time. Third one, prince. P-R-I-N-C-E. Prince is a masculine gender. What is the opposite of prince? Princess. Okay, next one, grandfather. This is so easy because this word is coming every time. And what is the feminine of grandfather? It is grandmother. Grandmother. Okay. Now children, I hope so this concept is clear. Looking at the word, you will be able to identify whether it is a masculine gender or a feminine gender. So children, I have given you a lot of homework today in your My Grammar Time book and Grammar Cloud book also. I hope so this concept is clear for you and you can do it for your homework too. Now just we will revise this page number 24 of Grammar Cloud. Okay, just to revise, then you will get the answers clear. Okay, male and female, we will do it simultaneously. Brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, prince, princess, peacock, peahen, cock, cock is also known as rooster, hen, groom, groom means the male category. Okay, bride, actor, actress, king, queen, bull, cow, prince, princess, brother, sister, son, daughter, uncle, aunt are few more examples of feminine and masculine gender. I am ending this session, children. Thank you.